Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but let's completely honest, finding Tay changes everything. This viral gem is literally everywhere right now. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it performs flawlessly, I was completely sold. It is worth every single penny, because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need Sai in your life is because it solves an annoying problem. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade before it's completely gone. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but let's completely honest, finding Tay changes everything.